So you want to be a streamer, but you don't know where to start. In this video, we're going to go over 5 basic things to do to start up your streaming business. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Jenna, the creator of Geek Responsibly, and today we're going to go over 5 basic things to do or look into to start your streaming business. This can be either on Twitch, Facebook, or YouTube streaming. RIP Mixer. With that being said, remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and ring that bell so that you know when videos go live for you. Just so you know, I will be doing a whole playlist on how to help you become a better streamer. Now, why am I doing this? I actually work with Built by Gamers as their onboarding manager. I get questions and inquiries all day of individuals wanting to become part of Built by Gamers and be a content creator, esport player. They want to be like Ninja. And you know what? I don't turn them away. I ask them a couple of questions. Do you have social media? What are you doing to promote your stream? And what's your personal brand? None of them have answers. So today I'm going to give a little bit of guidance, and when I get those inquiries, I'm going to send them this video. I'm just trying to help, guys, not trying to be mean. Number 1, personal brand. Pick a personal brand. Now, what does personal brand actually mean? Personal brand is actually what people think of when they hear our name, our gamer tag, or see any of our aesthetics, graphics, things like that. When you hear of Harris Heller, you think of Streambeats, Alpha Gaming, great help, amazing person, list goes on. Maybe even Own TV, because he does mention them quite often. And I believe he has a discount code. By the way, Own TV, hey, I would love a discount code. Is that how you make it big? I think so. All right, picking a personal brand can be difficult. Because again, you want to figure out something that's going to resonate with you, but also allow people to remember who you are when they see things that are part of your personal brand. For example, your logo. Now, logos aren't especially needed because your logo can be your face. How easy can that be? We have mobile devices, we can take great photos. Or you might even have friends that are photographers. Thank you, Bridget. Going and asking them for headshots. You can even ask a friend to hold a phone and take your picture. That can be your logo. Now they associate your face with you. That's an easy one. So what do you want to be known for? A lot of the times it can be something that is very meaningful to you, but still makes sense for the streaming world. Jot down a couple of ideas because I know you probably are good at some things that other people aren't. You are unique. So guess what? You can create a personal brand that's catered to you and specific for you that nobody else can use. Your personal brand can also be associated with your catchphrases, your alerts, and your graphics. This does take some time and it can morph. So be kind to yourself, show yourself some compassion, but create a personal brand. Number 2, this is a big one, social media. All right, what are you doing for social media? Do you have social media accounts? Do you have social media accounts that you are actually managing, not sitting there and looking at other people or commenting here and there? And also make sure not to tarnish your brand. So what is your social media platforms of choice? I recommend 2. Now hear me out. 1, there are way too many social media platforms these days. And it's difficult to run all of them. Believe me, I know, I've tried. So I say pick 2. 1 that is going to be for high engagement. This is usually TikTok, maybe Twitter, Instagram, things that people will be able to gravitate and respond to very quickly. TikTok is a great one because so many people are on it and it is something that you can really find a niche and build into. But there's still strategy. So make sure you do your research. The second one is a long, slow burn media to help build your brand and work for you while you're sleeping. What? You don't even have to be streaming and you can bring in followers? You're lying. No, I'm not. Actually, this is one of the tactics that I used. I was gaining a bunch of followers while I wasn't even streaming due to other social media platforms. This one I usually recommend YouTube. Now, again, I may do another video on this, but I'm not talking about gameplay. Please do not post gameplay. Nobody wants to watch a bunch of highlight reels. We can do that on Twitch or Facebook or even YouTube gaming. What they want is valuable information. What can you give to them in regards to the love of the game that you have? So for example, maybe you play Escape from Tarkov and you want to discuss the best SMG class and why people should use it. Maybe you play Animal Crossing and you want to show people how to make the most money by selling turnips. Whatever it might be, create those videos so that somebody can go to your channel and learn something. And you probably already know a lot of information about video games, considering we are gamers. Utilize 2 different social media platforms, one for high engagement, one that's going to be a slow burn, long-term solution to build your following while you're sleeping. Which brings me to 3. Pick a platform, which by this time you probably already have picked something, considering you're watching this video and you want to know more. Yet, if you're not an affiliate on Twitch, you can actually stream on Facebook and YouTube. And if you're not a Twitch partner, you can actually stream on Facebook and YouTube. And did you know that you can actually stream on Facebook and YouTube at the same time? Yeah, I did it the other day. Now, hear me out. Twitch is a great platform, and I recommend definitely starting with that platform. But Facebook and YouTube are really doing well and trying to better their gaming community. With that being said, even if you're a Twitch affiliate, you can actually stream on Facebook and YouTube just when you're not streaming on Twitch. That will allow you to see what you like, what communities are actually out there. You might have a great following on Facebook because you've had Facebook ever since you came out of the womb. Yet, you might not even want to touch Facebook because you don't have anyone on there because you were born 13 years ago and you think Facebook is for old people. So pick your platform. If you want to try all 3, do it. With that, you're going to need some streaming software. There is Streamlabs, OBS, Stream Elements, and OBS itself. So pick something that is going to accommodate and support the platform that you are on, because sometimes some of them don't work the greatest with certain platforms. We don't want laggy streams as well as headaches when you're trying to set things up. So do your research, see which ones are easiest for you. Comment below if you want me to do a video on streaming software so that you can pick what would be best for you. Which, lastly, number 5 kind of goes with number 1, figuring out your alerts, your overlays, your panels, and just to look put together. There's some very amazing artists out there. I know because I've paid for them. It can get a little pricey. So if you're not making any money, don't worry about crazy overlays, amazing graphics, alerts that are specific and custom to you. You can start by going on Fiverr.com, checking to see if there's anybody there that is going to fit your personal brand and what you're looking for. You can even go to owned.tv, like I had mentioned with Harris Heller. I believe his code is alpha. Again, owned TV. I would really like my own code. Thank you. You might even be really tech savvy and want to make your own alerts. I did it with Adobe Premiere by creating just like animations with music. So I created my own alerts. I actually still really like them. Unfortunately, DMCA. If you have any other questions, please reach out or again, comment below so that I know what other content I can create for you guys so that I can help level up your streaming business and gain that achievement of being a streamer. Always remember to geek responsibly.